Good morning, kids. We are going to get started on Lesson 12 in Unit 3. So it's 3-12 remembering today. You are going to practice regular old multiplication. You're going to practice fraction division, and you are also going to write an equation and then solve. Before we get started, you can go ahead and put an X through number 14 on Stretch Your Thinking. And we'll go ahead and start with number 1. We have 134, and we're multiplying that by 5. And we're going to just go step by step. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Put down my 0, carry my 2. 5 times 3 is equal to 15, plus 2 is equal to 17. Put down my 7, carry my 1. 5 times 1 is equal to 5, plus 1 is 6. My answer is 670. And we can go ahead and complete number 2 together. In number 2, we have 44 times 21. And we have 1 times 4 is equal to 4, and 1 times 4 is equal to 4. Put down your placeholder, and then we have 2 times 4 is equal to 8, and 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Now I have to add. 4 plus nothing is 4. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Put down your 2, carry your 1. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. My answer is 924. We're going to skip down and complete number 4 together. And for number 4, we have 4,507 times 3. I have 3 times 7 is equal to 21. Put down my 1, carry my 2. 3 times 0 is equal to 0, plus 2 is equal to 2. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Put down my 5, carry my 1. 3 times 4 is equal to 12, plus 1 is equal to 13. So my answer is 13,521. And we are going to go ahead into our next section, and here we are dividing. And remember, we have our great little chant when we're dividing. Keep, change, flip. And I'm going to have my little chant right here. Keep, change, flip. Number 7, what we have is we have 1/9 divided by 2. And I'm going to follow my little chant, keep, change, flip. 1/9 remains the same. I keep it the same. Change, my division symbol becomes multiply. Flip, if I was writing 2 as a fraction, it would be 2 over 1. So I'm going to flip that, and it's going to become 1 over 2. And now I can complete the multiplication. 1 times 1 is equal to 1, and 9 times 2 is equal to 18. Your answer is 1/18 for number 7. We will go ahead and we will look at number 8 together. We have 100, and that we have 100 divided by 1/3. We're going to complete our keep, change, flip. Keep our first number the same, 100. Change our sign from division to multiplication. Flip, it's 1/3, so it becomes 3 over 1. And we know that we write 100 as a fraction by writing it over 1. 100 times 3 is equal to 300, and 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So your answer is 300. So number 8, excuse me, is 300. Let's go ahead and look at number 13 together. Mark is running 5 kilometers at track practice. He decides to break the run into 3 equal lengths. How long will each length be? Now, you could do the equation a couple of different ways, but for me, I want to know how long each length will be. So I know he's running 5 kilometers, and I'm going to divide that 5 kilometers up into 3 equal chunks. And so I have 5 divided by 3. So I'm going to keep, change, and 3 over 1 is how that would be written as a fraction, and flip. I write 5 as a fraction by putting it over 1, and here I have 5. 1 times 5 is equal to 5, and 1 times 3 is equal to 3. Here I have an answer of 5/3. 3 can go into 5 one time without going over, and it leaves me with a remainder of 2, and I write that over 3, the original denominator here. So 1 2/3 kilometers. So my answer is going to be 5 divided by 3 equals 1 2/3 kilometers. All right, kiddos, you can go ahead and complete 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, and 12 on your own. When you're finished, take a picture, upload in Teams, and turn it in. Thank you.